Hi, it's Rebecca at Design and Adorn, and I want to show you our super cute holiday beaded candle kit. So this is what they look like when they're all put together. Your kit is going to come with a small LED candle, and it just turns off and on with this little switch at the bottom. You could, of course, put this with a regular tea light candle, but to prevent melting in transit, we ship them with this LED candle. And depending on the style kit you select, you're gonna have different colors of glass beads and different charms here. This is the falling leaf design that I'm showing right here. So let's take a look at what actually comes in your kit. All right, so you're going to have assorted glass beads, either rounds or rondelles, depending on the style of your kit. You're going to have a pre-formed wire base. You're going to have some ball head pins, and then you're going to have a few charms and maybe some jump rings depending on the style of charm. I've already attached my jump rings to these charms. As far as tools go, you're gonna want a 3mm, 5mm bail making plier. We'll be working on the 3mm side. And then you're gonna need just your basic jewelry making tools, just your basic pliers for opening and closing jump rings. I like to use either 2 bent chain nose pliers or a bent nose and a flat nose. Here's how you do it. It's easy peasy. You're just gonna take your ball head pin and then put a bead on here. Then I'm going to take my bail making plier and I'm going to hold the very end of the wire. I don't want any wire sticking out here. And putting pressure on the wire with my opposite thumb, I'm going to rotate the plier. I'm rotating with my dominant hand, and then as needed, I just open the plier and reposition. And as the wire comes around, I want it to bypass. I don't want it to overlap. So see how it just coils next to the wrap before? And you just keep going until you meet the bead. That's it. Let me show you that again. So take one of these ball head pins, put a bead on there. We're gonna hold this so there's no wire sticking out the end. And I coil the wire around the 3mm side of this bail making plier and just keep going until you meet the bead. That's that. So you're gonna do that for all of the beads in your kit. And once you've done all of them, you're going to string them up on your base wire. You can play with your beads and make a pattern or make no pattern. That's up to you, but you just feed them on here, and you're gonna want to, kind of evenly space out your charms, right? You have 3 of them, so like every third of the way is when you're gonna put your charm on there. Like so. Just keep going. Pop a charm on here, like so, until this is all full. And then you're going to take your bail making plier and you're going to coil the end of this wire so it matches the beginning. That's it. Easy peasy. These kits are available now at designandadorn.com.